In today's video, we're going to be playing Iron Bird because I haven't played Iron Bird yet. So let's go. Alright, I don't know why I started it in this menu instead of just Iron Bird, but I'm just showing that I've never played it before. I literally just bought it. And does anyone know why my avatar body's always over there? If I'm loading into a game or just generally in the lobby, the MetaQuest lobby, because I like to sit in there for a bit usually. Because it's very relaxing just watching all the things go by. But I don't know how to change my thing because I used to have it somewhere else, but alright, so we need oh, that's sick! Smack. Alright, why was that? So this is a bit like I'm Cat, I think, which I have played in fact, but it's kind of died now. It's not a very popular game anymore, so I'm probably not going to do a video on it, but just let me know if you want me to, because I can jump to fly. And do I want to put my arms on? Whoa. Can I speed up? Oh, that's sick. Whoa. Right, so stop flying. So we need to put the circle in the circle, the triangle in the triangle, and that. Yeah! Alright, can I jump? Is there anywhere to jump? Maybe except for... No, I'm not very good at climbing. Just figured out. Very video, so you know, I actually climb, so honestly it might not be. They should definitely add multiplayer, because I've seen videos. Oh yes! Finally, a way to boost the fly speed. Before I was so annoyed. Alright, so X. Oh yes. 2. Alright. So now let's run over here. Oh, I can't grab the poop, that's not right. So we're gonna go over here. We're gonna do maybe a couple of missions today, because I don't want the video to be too long. Then we'll do a part 2 on this. But it might be practically finished because I like playing games off camera. Because I just get bored and play games. So, oh, where the hell am I here? Next video I'll be having 100%. I rate the game. Can I literally just steal it? Yes, I can, but I'll be rating the game. I won't be buying anything. Look at, oh, there's so many weapons. How much money do I have? Oh, so it wants me to go over there first. Let's just quickly link this katana. Whoa.
Enforcement light. In 30 seconds, the speech begins. All citizens to the square.
Oh, right.
Shoelaces.
Oh, that's the mayor, isn't it? Tourist. Welcome. Get started with the overview. Reach the highest point. Where's that though? Alright, let's just look around. Before we do that, let's quickly look around.
This block smells like bakeries!
Attention, event underway.
Oh yeah.
Present yourself to the main square.
Oh.
Applauding on beat appreciated.
My worries 2 blocks back. No
The crane. Yes. I am at the crane officially. Let's go back to tourist. Hi, tourist. Yes. Now visit the Titi landmark. Close to the oldest bridge.
We are not red districts or blue districts. We are tired districts seeking quiet. It's not anti-bird, it's pro-you. Signals synced, sirens silent, prevention first, so emergencies stay rare.
Oh, it's the mayor.
It's not anti-bird, it's pro-you. Balanced, humane. Ask not what you stop
It's so good.
Ask how we make
Probably just gonna complete this tourist and literally finish most of the game. I'm not gonna lie. Off camera because I like playing games off camera.
patio is safe.
But time to practice.
Spots, soft
Fine.
and place emergencies with
Yeah,
predictability.
I'm not very good at flying.
This campaign is made.
But I'm actually quite decent.
Tourists want photos.
So,
on first aid. Will
don't know what I'm
protect
saying, I'm not
actions
because
and preserve our
decent.
reputation.
I did just start the game this minute.
Children deserve playgrounds, not battlegrounds,
That's why I go to the tourist. I think the tourist might be the
fight on the
first part, like the tutorial.
peacefully, legally, effectively.
So that's this guy. Although you've been protected by
Together we
the hell you on
can
about?
pass the politics of lynch.
Take over in the high. Yeah, no, I 100% have. Oh, I got 1 new stars. Sick. I have seen videos of this game. I can't do more. They can't see me. Our stars aren't going down at the same time. Let's go find the hiding zone. There it is.
I get tucked away, move on.
How do I have 2,000 right now? Let's go back to tourist. Do, 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 do. Let's just quickly. Finally back. Reach the lighthouse. Let's go. Let's find. Where's the hell is it? Don't know. Oh my god. It's over there. Oh, there is a lighthouse. That's cool. Oh, who's that cycle then? Am I allowed to say that? Right. Back to tourist. See if that was what my last place. I'm pretty sure it was. Let's find a tourist. Where the hell's the tourist gone? Here's that was my last one. Oh, that's cool. Boo boo. Boo boo. Boo boo.
Notice, the speech begins soon. Assemble at the central square and
Alright,
practice
so
respectful.
let's just quickly.
Almost there.
I'm lost.
Right turn. Not moving!
Run. Alright, 3, 2, 1. See ya. Going straight to the shack. I might be getting I'm eventually. Might not if she does.
Vanished like my paycheck.
2,000. Should we buy one of these pistols? What's like that? Can I even afford it? Dunno. It won't show me my bloody money. Oh yes! Let's go. Let's go shoot some people. What, do I have to reload it? Ah!
Track and fire. Skyride's arm.
just die. Probably. Let's just wait until I restart. Is there a cameraman? I really wish there was. Why do I keep scrolling behind here? Because I wanted to do an outro, but I guess I'll just have to do it miraculous. So just wait here. Let's go over to here. Like my Oculus menu. So that. Where the hell went my car? So that was it for Iron Bird. Hope you enjoyed. I might be making a part 2, but just saying it might be practically finished. I have mouth tracking. What? I never knew that. So yeah, if you guys want another episode on Iron Bird, just tell me down in the comments. I don't know where it is, but probably down there. If you're on TV, maybe on everything. Unless you're using it sideways, but. So if you guys would, so please like and subscribe if you enjoyed. So, where the hell is it? How do I end this?